people, as usual, Mama Uganda family, and we are sorry for taking long without posting a video, but we have been with interruptions, things which disappoint us. So people, we are so sorry for that. And as usual, the other time we were showing you how we cook our food, how we make our food in the kitchen, and the topic starts. We are going to start where we ended from where we ended from cooking kosho. After making kosho, we are going to show you after how we cook our sauce and how we serve our food to all of us and our siblings. So people, comment, subscribe and share, and let's show you everything from where we ended. Please, we are so sorry, forgive us, and we shall do our best so that's how our YouTube channel works and becomes successful in the future. So let's go in the kitchen and we'll show you after mingling our portion how we do and how we make our sauce. So please comment, subscribe and share for more videos. Let's go. Yeah guys, as we told you that we are going to show you how we make our food at our home, how we cook our sauce and serve all our siblings. We are going to show you how we cook our food. So watch up to the end. It's my bro. His names are Simon, and he's making for us food, cooking for us food, mingling fish portion. That's how we make our food. Please subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, he's mingling for us portion for lunch. Yo, say hi to people.
Yes, hi.
What's your name?
Simon.
What are you doing?
Just here doing some work in Kosho.
Yeah, okay. That's so nice.
Yes.
After I'm going to show you how we cook our sauce. After cooking sauce, we serve to all of us. Now I think it's ready.
Yes.
And we're going to remove and we put sauce. Yeah, now the portion is ready. After portion, I'm going to show you how we cook our sauce. Yeah, and I think we will be so happy to see it. And after, we shall call all our siblings and we sit down and we serve our food and we eat, and we show you everything when we are eating. And I think you like this video so much. Please comment, subscribe and share. Yeah, now the portion is ready. After, I'm going to put our sauce. Yeah, and you'll be able to see everything. Please people, help us, comment and subscribe, share, so that our YouTube channel grows. Yeah, that's my sister, as I told you in the other last video. Yeah, the portion is ready. Now I'm going to show you when we are putting our sauce, how we will cook our sauce, and then it gets ready. I will show you everything after getting ready, and I'll show you when we are serving it at our home. So I wish you happy days on me. As you see now, this is our sauce. This is our sauce, our beans. We are going to fry it. So as you see, this is our food. After this is our food. After mingling our portion, we put it again on the fire and it boils. Then after it boils, we remove it. The smoke is distant to that. So as you have seen in the kitchen, now we are frying. We are frying our sauce beans. We use tomatoes, onions, and cooking oil, as you see, and salt to fry our sauce. So and this is our food. After we mingle it and it gets ready, we put it again on fire when it's covered with banana leaves, as you see. When it's covered with banana leaves, so that it becomes more sweet and it increases in size. So it becomes more sweet when you add if you after mingling the banana, after mingling the posho, and you add it again on the fire, when it's covered with banana leaves, it becomes more sweet, and it becomes, when it's ready, not have cooked food. So that's the important thing of putting back the posho after mingling it. So that's our posho. It's on the chicken. It's on the fire after mingling it, and this is our sauce. So I'm going to show you everything. Yeah. So people, that's the way how we make our food, how we cook our sauce, and how we make our posho to become sweet and and delicious. So after making it and it becomes ready, we're going to show you when we're serving it to our siblings and our mother, and we're going to see everything how we eat our food at home. After eating, we wash our utensils. So we're going to be able to see everything. So sorry for taking long without posting any video. We are sorry for that, but we had interruptions which disappointed us, and that we had the problems. So don't worry, we shall make our possible so that we will make our YouTube channel become successful. So we ended. So yeah, I'm going to start from where we ended the other last time, and we're going to be able to see everything. So now our food is ready, and our sauce is about to get ready. They are cooking it. After it boils, we move it and we start serving our food. So people, comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. We're going to see everything how it works in our family. So I think another video will be about how we get our food in the garden. We shall go in the garden and we show you how we dig and everything. So people, thank you all people who have supported us, like Bausina and Wilkerson, Chris, Lady Mercy, and all people who have done their best to make us happy, who have paid for us school fees, who have done their best to make us survive and live a better life. So thank you so much for all the things you have done for us. We are so happy. Thank you so much. So now our food is ready, as I told you, and yeah. So people, as you see, after preparing our food, we wash again the utensils to be ready for the food. Now they are going to wash our utensils with my brothers and sisters, and we're going to see how they wash the utensils again when we are going to get our food. So please, comment, subscribe, and share. We're going to see everything. Now they're going to wash utensils so that we become ready for our food, and I think our food is going to be so delicious, and we're going to see everything. Hello, how are you? You are fine. What are you doing? Washing clothes. What's your name?
My name is Matan Aish.
What's your mother's name?
Mama Uganda.
Mama Uganda. How old are you?
9.
You are 9 years old.
Yes.
Where do you live?
Live at Kasenge.
Kasenge, Kasau,
Yes.
Mukono district.
Yes.
So we are in, as usual, at Mama Uganda's family, and I have found my sister, one of my sisters, washing clothes, and I wanted to show you how my young sister washes her clothes. So that's the way how she washes the clothes. So let's go on the utensils. What's your name? Nakagwa first come. Hello. What are you doing? I'm washing clothes, utensils. So people, this is the way we wash our utensils. Now my sisters are washing the utensils to be prepared for food. Now this is the way we wash our utensils. So I think the food is ready, and we're going to see everything. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Joella.
Nakugwa Hilda. What about you? What about you? What's your name?
My name is Joella.
Aya. People, as I told you, now the food is ready and they are serving it and we are going to enjoy. So they are serving our food. All the things are ready. For sure, the sauce is ready now. They are serving. So we are going to eat and we are going to show you how we eat our food after serving. So we're going to be able to see everything. Please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos like these ones. Now they are serving. You show them all. Now these are wings which I showed you when they are there and the caviar. Now they are ready. So I want to see everything. Yeah, now they are serving our food. Yeah, please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. Now they are still serving, and some students, some of our siblings are eating food as you see. Yeah, the food is ready. Bro, how are you? How are you? Bro, how are you? Yeah. Yeah, as you see now, please comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. Goodbye.